Oh, he's so okay, say Baba. Say Baba. Squeak, squeak. Say Baba. Tata. No? No talking right now? Well, maybe you should get down to your jumping then. Yeah, that's a good talking. That's a good talking. What else do you have to say? You're gonna get back to your jumping? Jump real big! Jump real big! Yeah, that's a good one. Come on. Say hi, Daddy, I miss you. Say hi, Daddy, I miss you.